I picked this up with my own money, not a sponsored video. This is all my thoughts and opinions based on my experience with the product. On the inside of the lid, it says, have a good skin day. It's got a two-step process on the back. Step one, it doesn't claim that it's going to, erase fine lines or combat any of the collagen within your skin with peptides, etc. It's purely just moisturizer. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Hayden. It is that time of the week again, which means we're gonna play with some more skincare. I've actually used this brand before, but only their tan, the self tanner. Never have I ever tried, reviewed, or used any of their skincare, which is what we're doing today. Today we are looking at the DAYDREAM Hydrating Whipped Moisturizer from Bondi Sands. Bondi Sands is an Australian company. As I just mentioned before, I have actually used their self tanner before, and that's the one that I go to all the time. I don't deviate from that, and they are very affordable. I picked this up with my own money, not a sponsored video. This is all my thoughts and opinions based on my experience with the product. I paid $16.95 just from my local chemist or pharmacy or drugstore, whatever country you are in. And for that $16.95, you get 50 mils of product or 1.69 fluid ounces. Now, what is this supposed to actually do for us? It says right on the back of the carton, dreaming of soft, smooth, bouncy skin, make your dream a reality with our DAYDREAM Whipped Moisturizer. This everyday cream instantly absorbs into the skin and provides up to 72 hours of hydration, so you can continue dreaming long after application. Bondi Sands DAYDREAM is enriched with sunflower seed oil, desert lime extract, and rosehip oil to leave you with hydrated, nourished, and rejuvenated skin. Dermatologically tested, suitable for sensitive skin, won't clog your pores, and it is fragrance free. I do actually like it when they say on the box itself that it's not going to have a scent to it. It's got a two-step process on the back. Step one, massage a pea-sized amount of Bondi Sands DAYDREAM Whipped Moisturizer into the face and neck. Step 2, for best results, apply in the morning after your serum or oil. It also says on the back, directly under the steps, right here, cruelty-free and vegan, made with recycled material. Alright, I have just washed my face. I've finished doing the housework for the day, and I thought I need some moisture. Let's dive on in. Very cute packaging, it's all purple on the inside. This is what it looks like. That's very cute. On the inside of the lid, it says, have a good skin day. I like how big the lid is. It's like giant. I'm going to test some on the back of my hand just to see what the consistency is like, because it did say that it's a whipped formula. So as you can see on the back of my hand, it is quite thick, which is what you would expect. Feels nice on the skin. Absolutely no scent or no overpowering scent, but it does have I'm going to say it's got like a plasticky kind of, smells like sunscreen, that kind of a vibe, but it's very subtle. It's barely even there. So just on the back of my hand, it instantly feels a lot softer than my other hand that doesn't have anything on it. Alright, well, it said pea-sized, and to massage it into the face and neck. Might just do the neck first. Now, a little goes a long way. I understand now when they said pea-size. Just let that dry down. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes and it's all absorbed straight in. It absorbed very quickly. There's absolutely no residue left. I don't feel any tackiness or any slip. It has, however, instantly made my skin feel softer and somewhat a little bit tighter as well. I don't believe that's one of the claims or what it's supposed to do, but that's the feeling I'm getting on specifically on my cheeks. Now, we'll continue to keep using the product to see if it has any long-lasting effects. It doesn't claim that it's going to, erase fine lines or combat any of the collagen within your skin with peptides, etc. It's purely just moisturizer, which, my first impression straight out the gate, that is exactly what it has done. For $16.95, it's not bad. I have tried better moisturizers out there in that price point, but for what it is, I will give that a thumbs up. Now I'll link everything down below for you to check out for yourself, but as it stands, I like it. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure we do all the fun stuff, but most importantly, stay tuned.